Wasabi, and today we're going to be unboxing the Gemini jets, Boeing 787-9 for American Airlines. Anyways, as you can see, this is the box, and I already took the airplane out. That's the flap, and this is the airplane. Anyways, this is 787-9 for American Airlines. And the wings are white for some reason, but I'm okay with that. These are the engines. And the front. The side. The back. And then the other side, which is the exact same. And here's the bottom with the landing gear. And here's the tail. Anyways, that's a pretty quick video. This is going to be it for today's video. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. So I'll be signing off. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!